Hello, and welcome to Inspired by the Minute with Michael Hardy. Today's tech topic is be willing to write out your thought process. How we think about problems determines how we think about the solutions. One tool that helps craft coding solutions is the mind map. Brian Burns of netguru.com outlines a few examples on how mind maps help you see not only the big picture, but also the fine details. One example is the application architecture diagram. It is a diagram comprising of a high-level overview of the components and fundamental interactions within a system, in other words, the microservices, databases, etc. A common usage of the diagram is to facilitate planning and solutions and implementation in the form of assessing the impact of upgrading, replacing, merging existing applications. A more common example is the sitemap. A sitemap is a list of pages of a website within a domain. Using a visual diagram, whether on paper or tool, you can help create the structure for your website prior to any front-end coding. Brian also talks about the use of mind maps with meeting notes. Have you ever tried to jot down notes mentioned in a meeting? That can be extremely tricky, but just use a mind map and create a new branch for each topic that comes up. You can also add more details through sub-branches. It keeps descriptions to a minimum and focusing on the essential points, which makes it super fast and easy to come back and refer to. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to all of our social media channels, and we'll see you soon. Take care.